In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. 5 minutes. If you prefer a brighter workspace, a dimmer look for late nights, or you want Asana to adapt to your computer automatically, this quick walkthrough will help you personalize the app in just moments. We'll adjust your theme and fine-tune the colors of the sidebar and top bar so the interface feels comfortable and easy on the eyes. First, sign into Asana. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. The steps are the same. These appearance choices are personal to you, so changing them won't affect how your teammates see Asana. It's a great way to make your workspace feel familiar without altering any project data. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile picture. That opens a small menu where you manage personal preferences. From that menu, click Settings. A settings window will appear with several categories on the left. In the settings window, select the Display tab. This is where Asana groups all of its appearance and theme options so you can keep everything related to color and contrast in one place. Under Theme, you'll see 3 choices: Light, Dark, and Sync with System. Light gives you a clean, bright interface that's perfect for well-lit rooms and daytime work. Dark reduces glare by using darker backgrounds, which many people find easier on the eyes at night or for long sessions. Sync with System tells Asana to follow whatever your device is set to, so if your computer switches between light and dark based on the time of day, Asana will match it automatically. Hover or click each option, and you'll see Asana update right away, letting you preview how it feels before you settle on a choice. While you're in the Display tab, you can also change the sidebar and top bar color to black or gray. Black offers maximum contrast and a strong frame around your projects, which can help highlight task content in the center of the screen. Gray provides a softer, more neutral look that many users find calming and less visually busy. Try each setting and pick the one that keeps labels readable and navigation clear. There's no save button here. Your changes apply instantly. That's it. You've updated your theme and adjusted the sidebar and top bar to match your style. If you use Asana on more than one device, repeat these steps there to keep your experience consistent. Enjoy your refreshed workspace and happy organizing.